Hello viewers, my name is Ashok Sen Gupta and today we will discuss about the topic dividend model part 2. This topic is continuous of the topic previous topic in which I discuss about the various aspect of irrelevant theory. So, just a recap, in previous lecture we discussed about the dividend model where irrelevance theory defined by hypothesis and residual theory. Today I will discuss how the irrelevant model of hypothesis works. In previous lecture we discussed on a case where dividend not paid and what will be the value of the firm, Okay. Today we will take the same case and discuss what happened when we pay the dividend, So, the case is same as the previous topic. AB Engineering Limited belongs to a risk class for which the capitalization rate is 10%. It has currently outstanding shares of 10,000 which is rupees 100 each. Therefore, the total value of the firm is near about 10 lakh. The firm is going to declare dividend of rupees 5 per share at the end of the current year financial year. In respect to have a net income of expect to have a net income of 1 lakh and proposed want to invest in new ventures which cost is 2 lakhs. So, here we will discuss what happened when company pay the dividend. So, I repeat the question in Hindi also. कंपनी के पास 10% कैपिटलाइजेशन रेट के पर 10,000 शेयर थे जिनकी वैल्यू 100 रुपये थी, तो टोटल वैल्यू ऑफ द फर्म 10 लाख हुई। कंपनी ने साल के आखिर में 5 रुपया पर शेयर डिविडेंड देने की घोषणा करी। कंपनी मानती है कि आगे भविष्य में उसको 1 लाख रुपए का प्रॉफिट होगा और 2 लाख रुपए का उसे इन्वेस्टमेंट भी करना है कहीं पे। तो वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट दी वैल्यू ऑफ द फर्म व्हेन देयर इज डिविडेंड हैज पेड। Now, from formula P naught equals to P1 D1 P1. P naught, we know P naught is डिविडेंड पे कर दिया हमने 5 रुपया मान के चल रहे हैं और के ई है 10%, दैट मीन्स 1.10। फॉर्मूला क्या है? फॉर्मूला है P naught equals to P1 plus D1 divided by 1 plus KE. This is the formula. Now, we need to calculate P1. So, P naught multiply by ये यहाँ चला गया 1 plus K divided by nothing. So, P naught is 100 multiply by 1 plus 0.1 minus 5. तो दिस इज 105 माइनस 5, द वैल्यू इज 105। हमने जब 5 रुपया दे दिया डिविडेंड का, तो जो वैल्यू आई, द वैल्यू इज 105। तो नई प्राइस, न्यू प्राइस ऑफ द शेयर पर शेयर, न्यू प्राइस ऑफ पर शेयर is 105. Now, company has earned 1 lakh. Company distributed 50,000. 50,000 कैसे हुए? 100 शेयर, 10,000 शेयर थे, 5 रुपये के हिसाब से देना था, तो 50,000 हो गया। 5 फंड अवेलेबल, दिस माइनस दिस। अब कंपनी के पास कितना पैसा बचा है? 50,000 रुपया। ओके, 2 लाख रुपया उसको इन्वेस्ट करना है कहीं पे, तो 2 लाख रुपया इन्वेस्ट करना है, 50,000 यहाँ से मिला। अब नया, अब उसे न्यू फाइनेंस कहाँ से चाहिए, कितने का चाहिए? 1.5 लाख। New finance required rupees 1,50,000. We know new share rate. We know new share rate. The new share rate at the end of the period or the is 505. 505. So N, or you can say M. For पिछले फॉर्मूले में मैंने लिखा था M, कुछ भी आप ले सकते हैं, is this value. हम इसे सॉल्व भी कर सकते हैं। फाइव से अगर कर दें तो 30,000 डिवाइडेड बाई 21, 30,000 डिवाइडेड बाई 21। फर्दर 3 से कर दें तो 10,000 डिवाइडेड बाई 7। यहाँ तक इसको हम छोड़ देते हैं, इसको यहाँ पे हम छोड़ देते हैं, ठीक है। वी कीप इट फॉर द नेक्स्ट स्टेप्स, अदरवाइज it will form in form of decimal. So we avoid the decimal things and then we move to the next steps. Now the formula is n plus n naught. So our old n is 10,000, our new n is, हमने क्या निकाला? 10,000 divided by 7, ये निकाला ना, into 105 into 105, okay, minus investment plus earning, इतना ही था ना, divided whole divided by 1 plus k, whole divided by 1 plus k. So let's do this. First solve this area. 10,000 plus 10,000 by 7. Take the LCM. 70,000 plus 10,000 equals to 80,000 into 7. We solve this one, okay. यहाँ तो solve हुआ. Multiply by 105. Multiply by 105. So 7 divided by 105 कितना होता है? 15. 15. 7, 15 ja 105. Multiply this. So 15 multiply by 8,000. 15 multiply by 8,000. 0 0 0 0 ये चारों आ जाएंगे. वन लाख 20 तो 12 लाख. यहाँ तक की वैल्यू आई कितनी? यहाँ तक की वैल्यू आई कितनी? 12 लाख. 12 लाख हमने यहाँ लिखा, वी राइट डाउन 12 लाख माइनस 2 लाख इन्वेस्टमेंट वाला प्लस 1 लाख डिवाइडेड बाई 1 प्लस 0.1 KE 10% है तो 0.1 ओके. नाउ 2 lakhs divided by 12 lakhs 10 lakh minus plus 1 lakh divided by 1.1. We further do this here. $11 lakh, 10 lakh plus 1 lakh, 11 lakh divided by 1.1, 10 lakh. So, see here. So, value of the firm is still 10 lakh even though we pay the dividend, but value of the firm is still 10 lakhs. So, here we saw that we pay the dividend, in previous slide. See, we paid the dividend, and I discussed in previous lecture, when we did not pay the dividend, still the value of the firm was 10 lakh. Hence, it is proof that there is no change in the value of the firm, either company paid the dividend or not paid the dividend. I show you again how it's happened. So, this is what when value of the firm is 10 lakh and we paid the dividend. Let change it again. Come to the slide. Okay, I erase the things here. Let do here it is equals to 0. So, it is also equals to 0. Now, it become 110. So, P1 is now 110 when not paid, okay, when not paid. I just repeating the previous video to make you clearly understand what happened with hypothesis, how they proved that if there is no change in the value of the firm, either they paid or not. So, I just proved that if dividend paid. Now, if dividend not paid, then D equals to 1 is 0 and P1 equals to 110. Similarly, happens here. Dividend distributed 0, fund available 1 lakh, you required fund investment 2 lakhs, 1 lakh is already available. So, you need 1 lakh more. So, you need 1 lakh more, clear. Now, you need 1 lakh more, your new price of the share is 110, P1 is 110. So, here it is also change. Keep this one. Now, when we go to next slide, change the values, I doing this in this side, change the values. What was N? It was initially 10,000 and now you need more shares. So, P1 is 1 lakh divided by 110 multiply by 110 minus 2 lakhs of investment, 1 lakh of earnings, whole divided by 1 plus KE. Now, if we solve, then we find that 1 1 0 0 0 0 0, there are 5 zeros. So, 11 lakh plus 1 lakh divided by 110 into 110 minus 2 minus this 1 lakh. Okay, fine. Solve this one. 1 lakh, 11 lakh plus 1 lakh, 12 lakh. Cut this, minus 1 lakh divided by 110, again 11 lakh divided by 110, this equals to this. So, this equals to this. This means 10 lakhs. So, here I proved the hypothesis theory with the help of case where a company issued a share the dividend or not, whether company issued dividend or not, value of the firm remains same 10 lakhs. I hope now you able to understand the concept. Let us take another numerical a case to understand this topic more. Vikas Engineering Company Limited has 1 lakh outstanding shares of 10 rupee, 100 rupees each. The firm's net profit is 10 lakh and want to make a new investment of 20 lakh during the period. Similarly, the firm wanting to pay dividend of rupees 5 per share at the end of the fiscal year. Company's opportunity or cost of capital is 10%. What will be the price of the share at the end of the period or later on the period? Okay. So, I am doing this example here again. So, we take the formula P naught equals to P1 plus D1 divided by 1 plus KE. Case is no dividend. First, we take no dividend. So, our previous price of the share is 100 rupees. P1 same, D 0 1 plus KE is 10% 0.1. Therefore, P1 is 110. P1 is 110. Now, company's earning is 10 lakh, company's earning is 10 lakh, company's distribution of dividend 0. So, each and everything is kept in hand, retain the 10 lakhs. Now, company want to invest 20 lakhs, investment 20 lakhs. So, company want to invest 20 lakhs, company having 10 lakhs. So, company need 10 lakhs more, needs 10 lakhs more. So, for 10 lakhs, if company need 10 lakhs more, okay, number of shares want to issue, number of shares to be issued. So, number of shares n delta 110. Okay. So, this is the formula, this is the n, new n, number of share to be issued to collect 10 lakhs. So, I just prove here that now n plus delta n multiply by, what will be the formula, n plus delta n multiply by p P1 minus investment plus earnings divided by 1 plus KE. This formula. So, here when dividend is not paid, the P1 is 110, and when dividend is paid, P1 is 105. Third point, number of share required for 442, here the see 44285, this is a division of 1,50,000, and here what we required. So, when we calculate the things, we easily calculate the amount of share required. So, let us see, number of n 10,000, okay. Old 1 lakh, new 10 lakh divided by 110 multiply by 110 minus 20 lakh plus 10 lakh divided by 1.1. So, when we calculate this, the amount will receive is 1 lakh into 100, amount will receive 1 lakh into 100. So, value of the firm is one lakh into 1 crore without paying the dividend. Similarly, when we going to pay the dividend, the amount of P1, the value of P1 is this, okay, and amount required for investment is increases because we pay the dividend of ₹5. So, it will become this 15, and when we calculate the same thing, again in this case we receive the value of the firm is 1 crore. Therefore, it is proved, this is proved that with the hypothesis, this is proved that with the hypothesis, value of the firm changes, do not change when we paid the dividend or not. There are some limitations of hypothesis. The approach is based on assumptions and investor indifference between dividend and retaining. समझ नहीं पाते हैं investors, तो limitations हैं. It maintain the because this is mainly because of the balance of internal finance. Internal finance जो है उसके बेस पे होता है. तीसरा, the validity of the hypothesis of 2 points, imperfection of the capital market and resolution. So, these are the three limitations of hypothesis. Hence, hypothesis proved that it is irrelevance. There is no change of the value of the firm when company paid the dividend or not. So, my dear students, hope I try to give you the proper view how we can find out the value of the firm in hypothesis and how hypothesis proved that there is no change in the value of the firm. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.